I'm just quoting the informal practices are being conducted in HR, or whatever you can say, Indian as well as multinational from abroad, and how they are working, how they are shaping their talent, how they are hunting their, you can say, talent, or you can say job hopping may be there, and several concepts are there, and you may be akin, or you can say you may be knowing, may not be knowing, but certainly they are inspiring, you can say, to know what are the best practices they are being applied by Indian as well as the multinational companies operating in India and abroad. I am sharing. It is an enabling function, supporting function of the management. Okay? It is, and again quoting, enabling or supporting system, supporting function of the organization, a strong, and it is also, they said that it is if finance is a backbone of the organization, they said that HRM is a strong backbone to select right people, with right attribute. They help any business in within the organization. It may be effectively and efficiently. Then you can say HR, you can say human resource management can play their executives, whether they are at the top, the middle and lower level, they can create wonder, you can say wonderful impact they can leave, or you can say they can nurture their talent like anything. Like it is a sort of not only, you can say, just taking talent from many other places. It is just like talent acquisitions, so not just recruitment and staffing is there. It is just talent acquisition is there. Then they also told us it is a sort of people connect, not HR manager, just connect people with, you can say, their heart, their soul, their mind, their body, you can say, ultimately nurturing talent, nurturing the material and shaping into desire, you can say desired persona, personality, a leader, a follower, effective leader. And then certainly if such type of measures they are being taken in any organizations like Tata's, you can say Birla's, Hindustan Unilever, Larsen Tubro, and ITC, I tell you, whether their hotel chain is there, Taj is there, Mora Sheraton is there, Trident is there, Oberoi Sheraton is there, and Wipro is there, Infosys is there. There you can say HR is a fabulous. It is as important as other departments are there, other activities are there, functional departments are there. Nowadays they are part and parcel of strategic decision making at the top. It is you can say HRM, and you can say it is not neglected like in the bygone era, you can say few decades back, or you can say during freedom struggle. So HR has strived, or you can say fought like anything for its, you can say, this latest, you can say, for their existence. And even you can say, even people, guys were not recognized. If you just go through how was my Green Valley, there was a movie, I tell you, a black and white movie of history years ago. There was, you can say, pathetic state of affairs. Pathetic state of affairs, or you can say things were, you can say, not even to be seen, or you can say observed by, or you can say it was just pathetic state of affairs. But nowadays I tell you, they have struggled a lot for this position, and ultimately they are part and parcel of strategic management decisions. Like they also discussed, you can say, concept peer parity. They before finding out, or you can say taking anybody from outside, Before that, you just see your, you can say, people item, whether anybody is there, what is his designation, what is his contribution, what is his qualification, her qualification. If he is fit, he can be taken from, you can say, better position, so that he can excel. Then opportunity must be given from internal resources rather than hiring from other places. Then they made a road, I tell you, that you can say they must be given opportunity. The such type of practices are being conducted in, you can say, Indian operations, or you can say our multinational HR operations are there. Then also, like, it must be a sort of business fitment, business fit between business and HR. Then it matters his attitudes, you can say subject matter expert, risk taking ability must be there in case of, you can say, guys, those who are talents, or you can say people, they are joining, organizing, you can say, organization. Again, you can say team management skills. Then you can say individual can be hired, you can say, and so many concepts we are going through, like, you can say textbook approach, they are also being followed. But certainly, or you can say, it is a growing field and a respected field, and you can say honor and laurels are there to just respect HR, human resource management, where human being are they are treated as a resource or talent. Custodian, HR department is a custodian of talent, like that. Such type of feelings are there. With these words, we are just going to discuss, you can say, HR as a stream. They are human beings. They are treated as a resource. Organization is not just, you can say, four wall structure is there, brick and mortar structure is there, machinery is there, or you can say where you can say people are working, or inventory of any stock warehouse is there. It is just people. It is just people, or you can say because of people, because of people, because of people, of the people, for the people, by the people. Organization is in. Wherever they are, wherever positions are there, they are recognized, they are respected. Then human resource management is born, and you can say getting its dues, or you can say getting respect. Then objective of organization can be achieved on their own despite best possible accumulation of technological, financial, human efforts, working highly motivated team to achieve short-term as well as long-term objective because of people, because of human resource. You can say human, not only resource only, not only backbone. Human as a wealth, I tell you, like wealth of the nation. कहते हैं कि इन्हीं बच्चों में plenty a large number of people lost, you can say kids lost in corona. We lost talent, we lost Kalam, we lost Nehru, we lost Gandhi, we lost talent. What is the future? If kids are nurtured, youth are nurtured in right way, I tell you, then certainly nation is stronger because of people, intellectuals. Countries, if you can say country like Germany, country like Japan, they are prospering because of talent, because of HR. They are making backbone of the country, not ordinary person. They are dedicated to the nation, dedicated to the organization, dedicated to cause of and purpose of our professionalism. Then HR is born. Certainly, talent must be grown, talents must be, like you can say in organization nowadays, the hire and fire policy of the America is being adopted. But it is not, suppose several things we are adopting blindly nowadays. But such type of practices, they are not fit in India. India is India, America is America. Forget about America. Think about India like that. You just know how to nurture your talent, your people. If you are not knowing, certainly chaos will be there. Right people at the right time, right place, I tell you. What job analysis is there? Job description, job specification. If this analysis is conducted in right manner, I tell you, there can be no fault at all. No fault at all. Job analysis divided in job description. Job describes is there, and it is translated in terms of human being. Job specification is there. If you are knowing your these three terminology: job analysis, job description, job specification, whole thing is clear. No biases are there, no halo effects are there. You know your job better, I tell you. Better communication skills are there. कब कितनी बात कहनी है, you just know as a leader. I'm just quoting example of Red Rose. अब अगर मेरे को नहीं मिली, उसकी क्लिपिंग्स नहीं मिली, आप लोग सर्फिंग करिएगा, अगर मिल जाए बेटा. There is you can say an organization headed by a lady as a chairperson. That lady appointed a young girl, just like you people, and from very, you can say, lower middle class family. अब्बू उसके बीमार रहते हैं, and the lady chairperson had given full freedom to work. ये सिखाती कि कब किससे बात करनी, कब किससे बात नहीं करनी है. किसी के साथ चाय पीनी है, पूरी चाय पीनी, किसी के बाद थोड़ी सी चाय सिप करके छोड़ देनी है. Yes, sorry madam, sorry sir, I'm just going away for certain, you can say, important meeting. I had important meeting at it. Just leave the talk, I did. Just break the talk, just break the show. That young lady caught a person, but that person was a relative of chairperson. She asked what to do. The chairperson, that lady asked, what you will do? Madam, he is a corrupt person. Then your decision. हटा दिया. Just he is terminated. He was terminated. Her own brother was terminated. Who replaced him? एक पुराने बुजुर्ग जो है अकाउंट के होते थे, ईमानदार थे, जो एक कोने में पड़े थे. She brought that lady and girl brought him into picture. Ultimately, whole picture was you can say changed in no time, I tell you. The selection of right people, importance to the right people. और कहा उन शख्स से, आप मेरे अब्बू के बराबर होते हैं, आप इस जगह के काबिल हैं, और मैं कुछ नहीं हूँगी, आपसे मैं सीखूँगी, आप बताएंगे हाउ टू वर्क like that. So such type of things, they are very important, I tell you. You can say your mindset, attitude, it's matter while you are just conducting your role as a leader, HR leader, HR tycoon in any organization, like Tata's, like Birla's, like Infosys, like Larsen Tubro. लड़की ने कहा कि भाई मेरे अब्बू की तबीयत कराना है. बोले तू जरा देर से आ जाए, आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू बिफोर बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स एंड सेवरल सीनियर पर्सन्स. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन गो टेक केयर ऑफ योर अब्बू एंड टेक केयर, एंड आल्सो some staff would be there to take care of your father. It is not a brick and mortar organization. Rather, HR is backbone of the organization. The good people are there, better people are there, honest people are there. You can say cost may be immense, I tell you. Like people like Kalam, I tell you. People like Yogi Deveshwar of ITC, I tell you. People like JRD, people like Ratan Tata, people like Ravi Kant, Anil Sarin. Bravo, I tell you, bravo. as a human wealth actually, human capital, human, just you can note down human wealth, or you can say human capital. Then human resource, greater appreciation, more organization invest in the human resource. Nowadays people are just, organizations are investing a lot of money in human resource, human talent, like anything. Then greater the return from the investment is likely to. अब देखिए एक बात है, एक कहावत है कि जितना किसी गुड़ मिलाएंगे, जितनी शक्कर मिलाएंगे उतना ही मीठा होगा. If it is being equivalent, this activity is being equivalent to any other equivalent, certain people would like to have joined this organization. You can say globalization, privatization, liberalization. In 91 in India, early it was in 80s, in you can say China had opened its border and grown like anything. Rajiv Gandhi said that you have left train, at least don't leave bus. Catch this one. Ultimately, his sudden demise, because of his sudden demise, ultimately P.V. Narasimha or Dr. Manmohan Singh and P. Chidambaram, they were three, and one person more from RBI, Deputy Governor from RBI, Reserve Bank of India. These 4 people were responsible for the whatever results we are getting after 27 years, 21 years of liberalization era. Because everywhere, whatever results are you are getting because of people, better people, talented people, intellectual people. And one thing, what is happening? Since organization is taking onslaught for environmental factors, external environment factors, they are dynamic, they are changing, always changing. Ultimately, organization has to behave, organization has to react according to external environmental factors. Ultimately, who will react? Organization is simply abstract concept. In our mind is the chairman is the top, a board are supported by board of directors, and you can say middle level managers are there, lower management is there, ultimately operating staff is there. It is an abstract concept. But people are making this post greater or lower, I tell you. When there is a, you can say, 2 things are there, organization and external environmental factors are there. In consonance with internal environmental factors are there, certainly strategic issues are to be chalked out. Now HR is part and parcel of, you can say, strategic management and business policy as well. What is your business? Where you are, where you would be. आप कहाँ थे, कहाँ हैं, कहाँ जाएंगे, किस बिजनेस में हैं, whether in service industry, whether in you can say manufacturing industry, like that. But define your purpose, define your goal, define your vision, define your mission. At one point I tell you, अच्छा जब दिमाग होगा तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तरक्की करेगा, मुल्क तरक्की. तो इस कंट्री को अच्छे लोग चाहिए, आप जैसे लोग चाहिए, मेहनत कश चाहिए, ईमानदार चाहिए. तरक्की कब होगी? जब आपकी तरक्की होगी, मुल्क की भी तरक्की होगी. बट थिंक ऑफ सोसाइटी, कंट्री एट लार्ज. लाइफ लाइन, और यू कैन से अ सॉर्ट ऑफ ब्लड ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आज का एक कंसेप्ट है ना, ब्लड नहीं तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं जाएगी ना. हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल कितना है, उतनी तो ऑक्सीजन होगी ना. तो इट इज़ अ सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मोर द ऑक्सीजन एंड मोर द यू कैन से greater organization will be there. So you can say good people, or you can say backbone people are there. People connect. As a HR manager, what is your connect with the people, your colleague, your subordinate, your seniors? Think in a new way. Whatever you have learned, you just execute, just learn from your elders, tycoons from in your organization and from abroad, from or you can say other parts of the world. I tell you, HR summits are there, business summits are there. Go and attend. Attend. Sometimes are being organized by the business dailies. Sometimes are organized by the business organizations like Confederation of India Industry, FICCI, ASSOCHAM, Punjab Haryana Chamber of Commerce. Human resource management is you can say earlier actually earlier it was personnel management, but since last 2 decades it has become HRM. I tell you, HR department, the industrial and relations department is there. There was an accident and a fist between labor and you can say officers of Maruti. Ultimately few officers were killed and died because of physical filter, and one person was killed. And need was felt again, I tell you, of industrial codes of industrial relations. लोग कहते हैं कि that it is a sort of similar to personal management, similar to HR, similar to HRD, like that. Okay, things may be there, but codes of industrial relations is totally different, like anything. Then I tell you, when these 2 accidents happened in Indian history, or you can say it was quite peace-loving force were there. Then human resource managers are concerned with designing overall employment system or internal complementary, ultimately contribute to organization attainment of the principal goal. Actually, as I told you, suppose competent persons are available. They are coming for money, they are coming for respect, they are coming for recognition, like that. Then why not internal resource must be promoted? Ultimately, organization or leader, HR leader must find avenues for the growth of the, you can say, people. Because his senior would retire after 20 years. क्या 20 years आपके लिए वो बैठा रहेगा? वो चला जाएगा. Just find places where he can be promoted. Somebody is living in other times. Okay, people people are loving to change their stream. People are coming from marketing, coming from HR to marketing, or you can say marketing to HR, marketing to sales, like that. So they are changing their, you can say, positions and roles in the organization. Ultimately, some sort of, you can say, work-life balance, some challenges are there in other positions are there. So such type of things, they nowadays popular and becoming, you can say, becoming a matter of interest. Strategic approach to acquisition, motivation, development and management of human resource. It is a specialization. Again I tell you, motivated workforce like an Indian Army I tell you. जम्मू तो बच गया, जम्मू को बचाने वाला नहीं बचा. चार्ली फोर्ड, जम्मू का क्या हुआ? जम्मू तो बच गया, जम्मू को बचाने वाला नहीं बचा. This is the spirit of Indian Army, or Air Force, or Navy, I tell you. Or you can say Special Commando Force at Manesar, Gurgaon, Black Cat Commandos, 3 days operation at Hotel Taj. Who were there? They were people. They were, you get treated as a human resource. When Indira Gandhi was killed, this one, a special task force was created in Manesar. और राजीव गांधी 8 बजे पहुंच जाता था बंदा, उनके साथ चाय पीता था. 8 बजे खुद का जिप्सी ड्राइव करी और खुद पहुंचता था. राजीव गांधी ने कहा कि ड्राइवर नहीं आएगा तो आप नहीं जाएंगे. ऑल द IAS, ही सेड दैट जस्ट लर्न ड्राइविंग. आपका ड्राइवर नहीं आएगा तो आप जाएंगे नहीं. यू हैव टू टेक डिसीजन, यू हैव टू रश टू द स्पॉट. आपकी सेक्रेटरी नहीं आएगी, नहीं आई तो क्या लेटर नहीं टाइप होगा क्या? Go and learn computer. You will have no secretary at all. Suppose secrecy is there. So he changed the mindset of the bureaucracy. More tech savvy. Okay. So just be people oriented. It is just not HR management. It is people's management. It is people's management by the people, of the people, for the people. जैसा डेमोक्रेसी की जो है, डेमोक्रेसी क्या है? For the people of the same way. I tell you, same way. किसी के मरने से किरदार नहीं मरा करते हैं, किसी के मरने या जीने से किरदार नहीं मरा करते हैं। आदमी वही रहता है जो जिसका जो कद है वही मिलता है इतिहास में। योगी देवेश्वर, नारायणन मूर्ति, कलाम साहब। मुल्क ऐसे नहीं बना हमारे पुरखों ने। क्यों ये मुल्क जिंदा है? हमारे पुरखों ने सीने पे गोलियां खाई हैं, तब ये आज़ादी मिली है। इस मुल्क को आज़ादी नसीब हुई है। ये फ्री में मिली हुई आज़ादी नहीं है। लाखों लोग मारे गए, कुछ तो इतिहास के पन्नों में दफन हो गए, कुछ को वो जगह भी नहीं मिली। चाहे वो काकोरी कांड हो, चाहे भगत सिंह हो। कितने साल के थे? 20 साल 24 साल के लोग थे। प्रफुल्ल चाकी 13 साल का, खुदीराम बोस 14 साल के, फांसी के फंदे पे चढ़ गए, माफ़ी नहीं मांगी। कैसे लोग थे? बंदे थे। HR, people, respect people. Gandhi, the best HR manager of the world, I tell you. 33 crores people were his follower. पागल हो जाते थे। गांधी भूख अनशन पे है तो पूरा मुल्क अनशन पे चला जाता था। फास्ट एंड टू डेथ, ऐसा लगता है मातम पर फैल गया हो। HR, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदा आखिर पूछे बंदे से, आखिर तेरी रजा क्या? टू माई डियर, गो टू दैट एक्सटेंट, आई टेल यू। बी रूथलेस, बी टफर टू योर सेल्फ। एक नहीं, सवेरे से आपको अगर 10 बजे रात तक बैठना है तो 10 बजे रात तक बैठिए। Then new man and woman will be born, I tell you. Tougher lady, toughest man in the world, I tell you. अगर आपको बनना है तो you must be tougher. You must be tougher for yourself, for your family, for your country. Then I tell you, toughest man, toughest. Yes. Then it is a specialized force, workforce, organizational corporate culture. Organizational corporate culture is created because of, I tell you, people and a leader. HR is a proactive approach rather than reactive approach. I work with, you can say, great veterans actually, HR production guys and HR people like that. While I was in, you can say, working in several other organizations. Toughest people I tell you, but very soft on their heart, and they were committed to their words, committed to them. एक बार कह दिया, yes, words are given. They are looking forward what needs to be done and what needs to be done. What was needed, what needs to be done, because it is a matter of future. They are future leader. Organization has to grow. First, individual objective and organizational objective. You have certain dreams and aspirations to be fulfilled in the organization. You are part and parcel of the progress of the organization. If organization is growing, certainly you are growing like that. And that pie, you can say, share of the pie must be given to you people, responsible people. And no biases, tell you. That's why 360-degree, you can say, performance appraisal is there. But sometimes I tell you, if leader is wrong, he is a bias, halo effects are there. ये मेरी जात का है, मेरे मज़हब का है, सब बेकार हो गया. Just raise your level beyond that, my dear. Without, you can say, irrespective of caste, creed, mazhab, halo effect, religion, anything else, forget about that. If you want to be leader of the nation, unbiased leader. कलाम की किसी ने जात पूछी, गांधी की किसी ने जात पूछी. आप इसके ऊपर उठ सकते हैं तो HR ज्वाइन करना, नहीं मत ज्वाइन करना. Be a leader, behave like a leader. Be a leader, behave like a leader. Irrespective of caste and creed. मैं एक टीचर हूँ, अगर जो बढ़ेगा उसी को मैं बढ़ाऊँगा. It is a sort of manpower planning, selection, performance appraisal, salaried administration, training and management, development, and to improve communication system, involvement, commitment, and productivity. I tell you, you must be productivity. I said you just 9 matrices, black and mountain, 5 ideal is it. Just my dear, just work 6. इससे ज़्यादा आप कोई आप कर नहीं सकते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा आपसे कोई कहेगा नहीं. 6 matrix is a better. Human resource have their special duties, characteristic can be not treated like other resource. देखिए जगह ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इमोशंस हैं, सर्टेन इमोशंस साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स आर देयर, इमोशंस एटीट्यूड माइंडसेट यू कैन से make them part and parcel of, you can say, organizational life. If you are better teacher, sir ऐसा होना, sir ऐसा होना, sir, certainly you would be winner and they would be winner. Productivity will be high. HRM is qualitative improvement of in a human being who considered valuable asset of the organization, valuable of the organization. And then HR is different. Outcome of, you can say, HR is outcome of, you can say, development of after you can say personnel department. Organization are, you can say, reservoir of untapped resources. Sometimes you can say what talent hunt is there. Talent hunt is there. जो आपके बंदे हैं ना, अनटैप्ड एनर्जी जिसको कहते हैं ना, हिडन एनर्जी है, गुप्त उस्मा, लेटेंट एनर्जी होना. अगर उसका जो उनके जो अंदर का इंसान है, उनके अंदर का अच्छा इंसान है, उसको निकल के बाहर आना चाहिए. देखिए नथिंग इज़ गुड और बैड, आई टेल यू. आप अच्छाई को ऊपर बढ़ाते जाइए तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, जो कमियां हैं ना, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स नीचे चले जाएंगे. हर इंसान में के अंदर एक अच्छा इंसान है. इट इज़ द जॉब ऑफ HR पीपल जस्ट यू कैन से जस्ट फाइंड आउट द बेस्ट थिंग्स इन यू कैन से इन इट्स टैलेंट और पीपल, आई टेल यू, फॉर अनलिमिटेड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दीज अनलिमिटेड यू कैन से स्कोप ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. धीरू भाई अंबानी तो शायद आठवां फेल थे, छोड़ के चले गए थे. ही इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड मेगा रिफाइनरीज. पाताल गंगा की जो रिफाइनरी है, सबसे बड़ी रिफाइनरी है वर्ल्ड की, लार्जेस्ट रिफाइनरी इन द वर्ल्ड. आई टेल यू, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में. उन्होंने सोचा था कि उनके यहाँ जो काम करने वाली बाई है ना, वो कहीं भी दुनिया के किसी कोने में अपने मोबाइल से बात कर. ये नारा था, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में. बट धीरू भाई अंबानी वाज डिफरेंट, आई टेल यू, सिंपल पर्सन and hard working and nature of self development is there. It provides opportunity to develop self, and then overall benefit of the organization and development of the organization. And you can say develop as a culture, you can say culture, harmonious relationship between superior subordinate, teamwork, collaborative gesture and behavior, open communication, and integration of goals and organization, and various factors of the organizations are there. So there should be a sort of bonhomie, or you can say sort of integration among all the function, among all the people. Okay, then top management takes initiative for HRM in terms of you can say strategy creation, formulations, and you can say execution. Actually, what is going on? If promoter, or you can say people at large, if they are certain thinking something, you can say something beyond idle. If they are, you can say humble, or you can say down to earth like that, ultimately I can say miracles can be achieved. Raj Kapoor sahab, he was a great director, showman of India. When 9 to 10 p.m. in the evening, he was just going, he stopped his car, joined the बैंड ऑफ यू कैन से पीपल आर यू कैन से जो पूरब के लोग थे, माइग्रेटेड वर्कर्स थे जो शाम को खाना बनाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग वो लेके अपना संगीत और ढपली लेके अपना सब अपना लोकल फॉक्स में जमा. ही वेंट देयर एंड एंजॉयड फॉर हाफ एन आवर. लौट के आते हैं, सिस्टर्स कहते हैं चलो. दिस ग्रेट मैन वॉज डाउन टू अर्थ. उन्हें जब कोई फिल्म बनाते थे तो उसकी स्टोरी एक रेस्टोरेंट में एक जो बैरा होता है ना, उसको सुनाते थे. तू बताइए कैसी स्टोरी. वो जैसा कहते तो मोर और लेस ही वॉज ओबेइंग एंड टेकिंग. एक लास्ट में कहा कि भाई ये, उसने कहा कि ये मेरी कहानी नहीं है, आपने मेरे लिए मूवी नहीं बनाई. इट वॉज मेरा नाम जोकर. हालांकि मेरा नाम जोकर ये उनकी अपनी कहानी थी. ए ग्रेट स्टोरी. लिरिक्स यू कैन से रिटन बाय a writer, I tell you. But it was flopped. But success and hit was in Russia, Soviet Union. Okay. So just he was caring for people. I tell you. He was caring for people. Core activities of personal management includes like strategy and organization. Nowadays you can say HR and personal, if they are progressive enough, they are more or less. Personal management is the past of the HR, and you can say HR is HRM is the HRD is you can say this one latest fad to talk. Like strategy and organization, contributing to organizational strategy, organizational structure, process, influencing culture, value, developing personal strategies and policy like that. Okay. Strategy and organization. Because when organization and external environmental factors they are coming together, they are just organization is just analyzing external environmental factor, they are part of strategy. Number 2, employee resourcing, incorporating human resource planning, recruitment, selection, deployment, termination of employment. Actually in HR such type of things they are being taken from personnel department. Then employee development, again I tell you, suppose why he should be there or she should be there. If certain avenues are not there, then parent you can say parity is there. Then you can say if any job is there, requirement there, why not you? Why not you, I tell you. Instead finding from outside, hunting from outside, the certain ultimately you must be given chance to develop yourself, prove yourself for the you can say this position or that position. Next one, reward management. Then you can say rewarding strategies, administration of payment and benefit system, I tell you. Then they must be rewarded, suitably remunerated. They must be you can say financial motivational factor, non-financial motivational factors. Sometimes money is not important. Non-financial you can say packages they are motivated. Your post, job enrichment, job rotation, special job, you can say part and parcel of a special task force. They inspire it. Patting. और कैसे आप कैसे हैं सर, हाउ आर यू, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, आज क्या चल रहा है? सब कुछ नहीं चल रहा. क्या खराब चल रहा है? चेयरमैन आस्क्ड टू ए लेडी, सब कल्चर नहीं ठीक. तो कल्चर में क्या नहीं ठीक है sir? People are coming at 12 at noon. So what will happen? His subordinate will come, he will follow their leader. फ्लाइट चली गई, फ्लाइट को कैंसिल नहीं करा गया. ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम अटेंड करना था, नहीं अटेंड करता. वी वेस्टेड लॉट ऑफ मनी एवरी मंथ in lakhs, in millions we are losing money. Ultimately we have no culture. Ultimately they are spoiling the culture of the organization. Yes, again Charles. There was a press conference by CEOs. Reporters asked, what is your agenda of the future? Yes, we will correct culture. We will improvise our culture in years to come. A message was given to, you can say, such type of errants people. Next one, employee relations. Like people connect. Connect yourself with the people like us. Communication. Open communication, dialogues, two-way communications. Meet them, recognize them, respect them, because they are people, they are bande, they are resource, they are talent, they are backbone of the organization. This is the spirit, I tell you. This is the spirit, I tell you. HR, I tell you. And then employment and personal administration. ठीक है, it is the job. 31st को सैलरी चली गई, 31st को सैलरी चली, फेस्टिवल है 20th को चली गई. Pretty small things are they are being delayed. कोई सीनियर बंदा कहेगा क्या? शर्म आती है भाई. काम भी करे और फिर उसके बाद वो भीख मांगे आपसे कि आप हमको दे दीजिए. अच्छा, हम करते हैं. आई विल सी दैट. यस, इट मस्ट बी पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. और इसमें कोई आप किसी का एहसान नहीं कर रही हैं, न कर रहे हैं. Keep in your mind. I'm just telling you facts and figures of the organizations. I'm just quoting various characteristics, features of HRD or HRM department. Find differences are there. HRD, human resource development, human resource management. First, HRD is subsystem of a larger system. And then HRD is an organic whole. All parts are interlinked, like organic. जैसे ऑर्गेनिक ऑर्गेनिज्म है, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर है, ऑर्गेनिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. देन मेन टास्क ऑफ HRD is to develop enabling capacity. I tell you, it is enabling function and supporting function. All managers, irrespective of functions, share responsibility of human resource. Okay, all manager, irrespective, those who are at the top, they are just doing the job of human resource management. Irrespective, if they are managers, certainly they are in post of, or you can say, it is implicit that they must conduct all sorts of the activities. It is expected. Then responsibility of HR as human resource system and process of total organizations. HR system and procedures should be designed on the basis of process value to reduce human wastage. देखिए, what is going on, I tell you, every person is groomed, trained effectively, trained and retrained according to the situation, according to the job, according to challenges, I tell you. They must be trained. Then job must be taken accordingly. आप क्या करते हैं? मिसमैच करते हैं. There should be fit between the job and person. Fit, knowing each other. A person must knowing his job. He must be accordingly educated. A qualification he must have or she must have. Then you can say a professional bonhomie would be there. People are primarily motivated by challenges and opportunities for the development and creativity. If challenges are there, challenge must be there. मान लीजिए ओवरसीज कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत से लोग होते हैं खुद चले गए, हर चीज़ वो खुद डील कर रहे हैं. नो, go with your subordinate or give them you can say this task to themselves. Just go there, deal with such situation and prove yourself. Then HR is there, HRM is there. Briefly, I'm just quoting certain HR challenges are there. We will discuss tomorrow. Number one, you can say organizational challenges are there. Like I told you, it is an abstract concept. It is on our mind. It is also not a brick and mortar structure as there. It is, or you can say, four walls concept is there. It is because of the people heading, or you can say its leader, its people working everywhere. People are there. Human as a resource, human as a talent, human as a, you can say, everything I tell you. Backbone of the organization. Then environmental challenges, because they are dynamic, they are flexible, they are always changing. That's why you have to change yourself, because you have to tap opportunities. You have to take care from threats are there, opportunities are there. You have to avail. You have to avail. You have to exploit opportunities coming in your favor. Then you have to prove yourself. Individual challenges are there, organizational challenges are there. Then just both should be ready. If people are ready, people are trained enough, then certainly organization will grow like anything.